Hello, you are welcome to another special topic. This plant you are seeing on the screen now, it's called Royal Poinciana. It has different names in different locations. It is a wonderful plant. Both the leaf and the flowers are very important in poultry and livestock farming, even in human health. It's a wonderful plant for both for livestock and for human being also. But in this particular topic, we are dealing with livestock and poultry. I'm going to give you the medicinal and health benefits of this particular plant in poultry and livestock. It is called Royal Poinciana. It is also called Flamboyant Tree. It is called Delonix Regia. That's the botanical name. Gomoha in India. Flamboyant Tree. And Flamboyant Tree is the name in French territories. And Okoko in Okoko or Nchata in Igbo land. Now, let me give you the names again so that you get them. Royal Poinciana is the English name. That's a common name. It is called Flamboyant Tree. It is also called Delonix Regia. That's a botanical name. In India, it is called Gomoha. And it is also called Flamboyant Tree in French territories. In Igbo land, it is called Ncheta or Okoko. That's Okoko. That's the name in Igbo region of Nigeria. So all these names are for one plant. That is tell you that this plant is very important. It is very common, and it is also a unique plant. This is a plant that has different names in different regions. That means all these regions knows this plant. Why not relax and watch the medicinal and health benefits of this plant in your poultry? In this particular video, we are going to know how to use flamboyant tree or Royal Poinciana leaf extract to boost your poultry growth. Both the leaf and the flower are very important. How we are going to cut feed costs on drugs and medications significantly with this plant. How to improve the immune system naturally without any antibiotics. How to increase our profit margins through faster growth and faster maturity of your poultry through this plant also. And a step-by-step recipe for poultry applications and how to make use of this plant to grow your poultry in a short period of time. Relax and watch the end. If this particular topic interests you, please give it a thumb up right away. And always comment, share our videos to reach more poultry farmers. If you're not subscribed to the channel, this is the right time for you to subscribe. Let me give you 10 amazing, top nutritional, medicinal, and health benefits of this plant to poultry and livestock. 1, it has strong tannins. Tannins is a compound that helps to fight off bacteria and viruses naturally from livestock and animals. It has strong flavonoids. Flavonoid is a strong antioxidant that reduces stress and inflammations in poultry and livestock. It has saponins. Saponins is a strong compound that boosts immunity and reduces internal parasites in poultry and livestock. It has aclanoids. Aclanoids strengthens respiratory system and overall vitality of poultry health. It has iron. You and me knows that if you are taking any blood boosting tablet, it must have iron as one of the chemical components. Iron supports red blood cells production and oxygen circulation in poultry and livestock. Even in human being also. It has calcium. Calcium improves bone strength and eggshell quality. It has magnesium. Magnesium supports enzyme functions and energy metabolism in poultry and livestock. It has vitamin C. You can see vitamin C. If you have injuries, medical doctors always refer you to vitamin C, to leak vitamin C. That will help you in healing of injuries. You know that one very well. Vitamin C boosts immunity and speed up recovery from stress and injuries. It has antibacterial agents that helps prevent CROD and bacterial infections. It has appetite stimulant that encourages feed intake and growth, at the same time feed conversion and feed oxidation, thereby maximizing your feed profit. That is, you make profit, reduce the cost of feeding your poultry animals while maximizing their growth, thereby reducing that cost of money. That money you would have spent in buying feed, reduce it, and that will give you more profit. How do we prepare this particular plant? One, this plant is a tree. You don't plant it around their home. It is called flower, but this flower is a giant one. It grows big. That's why it is called flamboyant tree. It is flamboyant in the nature that it grows too large, and its roots move too far from the location where you plant it. So it can even pull down your fence or even your wall. It can even crack your wall. That's why it is not good for you to plant it around your environment. It should be very far from your buildings. If not, it will crack your building, and sometimes even can even fall your fence or your building. So how do you do it? Somebody must climb on top of it. It's not unless it is at the early stage of the growth. If it is a well-grown one with red flower, the one you're seeing here right away, climb it first. If you know you don't know how to climb, don't say because I say climb it, then you go and climb. Look away and pluck the leaf and the flower. It has a very reddish colored flower. Collect fresh Royal Poinciana leaves. Wash it thoroughly, if possible, with salt. A handful of it is good. Handful is good for 2 liters of clean water. Then boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. Here I'm saying boil. Gather with the flour, both the leaves and the flour all together. Boil it 15 to 20 minutes. Then allow it to cool very well. Then strain the water out and store in a clean container. Mix 100 to 150 ml per liter of drinking water for 5 to 7 days. Please repeat this every week for proper growth stages. Most especially if at the early stage of their life, during brooding time, use 100 to 150 ml. If during the grower's time, brooding time is between day 1 to week 3. Then growth time is between week 3 to week 5. Use 200 ml per liter of water. Then give it to them 5 to 7 days. If they have grown well before market, give them 400 ml per liter of water. Give it throughout the period before you go to market. But if you have money to buy our Eco Bio Booster, this particular one is fully fortified with all the ingredients. It's those of you that are giving testimony of the first batch. You here, I don't know the kind of testimony you're going to. This one you dance. As you're doing the testimony, you'll be dancing because this is supercharged badge. Supercharged with different minerals and vitamin plants, organic plants that are naturally boosted to give you the maximum result. It's supercharged badge. This badge is wonderful. If you have money, buy it and go and relax. Because you may be climbing this tree. Something happens, eventually you fall from there, break your waist. Whereas that money you use to buy Eco Bio Booster, you will not go and use it and treat yourself in the hospital. If at all you did not buy from it. So why not use the money, buy Eco Bio Booster and relax. All these things everything is inside. All these things I'm teaching you are inside the Eco Bio Booster. Relax and only dish it out to your poultry and livestock best. Get the maximum result as we are getting here. Then, if you have any question regarding this particular topic, please feel free and drop it on the comment section. This Royal Poinciana is more than an ornament tree. It's more than a flower. People see it as a flower. Yes, it looks beautiful as a flower, but it is a secret weapon for poultry farmers. Use it wisely to raise bigger, stronger, and healthier broiler birds naturally. Don't rely on expensive drugs anymore. If you find this video helpful, like, comment, and share your experience on the comment section, and subscribe for more natural poultry farming tips. Subscribe to our both channels and make sure you always share our videos. You can as well subscribe. Join our community, channel community membership. It is very important for you as a poultry farmer. This is the way you can contribute to the growth of this channel, and at the same time, why we contribute to the growth of your own business also. Because we are going to give you full attention to make sure you grow your business. You can call at any time. We give you directives on what to do to grow your business. We are experts in the field, and we always guide you to become expert and make more profit. Thank you for watching this video. Till the next video is uploaded in the next channel. Please don't miss it. For now, I say bye.